Okay students, today I am going to start with another type of construction, that is parallelogram. Clear? To construct parallelogram, here four elements are there: two adjacent sides and included angle, two adjacent sides and one diagonal, one side, two diagonals, height and two sides. So let's start with the first element, two adjacent sides and included angle. Now all of you know the properties of parallelogram. It is a parallelogram, suppose ABCD. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel like rectangle. But in parallelogram, interior angles are not 90 degree. Got it? And diagonals are also not equal. Clear what I have told you? Have you understood? And more one property is there which is very important. In parallelogram, diagonal bisects each other. What does it mean? Suppose AC is the diagonal and BD is also diagonal. AC diagonal bisects BD diagonal. It means if you consider this intersection point as O, then if AC will bisect BD, that means OB will be equal to OD. Same way, if BD diagonal bisects AC, it means OA is equal to OC. So this property will be applied when you have to construct parallelogram with two adjacent, means one side and two diagonals. Clear? So let's first start with two adjacent sides and one angle, included angle. So here AB and BC are the two adjacent sides. Clear? So with these two, among these two line segment, with any one line segment you construct the baseline. But mind it, one thing you have to remember, you will see which angle is given to you. So that vertex must be there. Clear? So AB is 6.5 centimeter. After drawing this one, you construct angle 45 degree at B vertex. Clear? So 45 degree is what? It is an acute angle less than 90 degree. So it is 90. So as B is the center over here, you will consider 0 from this side. So 45 degree is here. Clear? Now you join the points. Clear? Mark it as X. Now you have to construct side, another side, BC, 5.2 centimeter. Take the measurement, exact measurement 5.2 centimeter. With B as the center, BC, no, A, B, C, D, C. Now A, B, C, D, where you have constructed the angle, A, B, C, D, C will be here. So with B as the center and with 5.2 centimeter, you draw an arc which will intersect BX line segment. That means, clear, at this point. And as it is parallelogram, its opposite sides are equal and parallel. So this BC measurement, with this BC measurement, with A as the center, with same measurement, you will draw another arc. Clear or not? Because in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Clear? Now this point you have got C point. Got it? Now next another arc you have to construct to get D point. Now consider AB measurement. Again opposite sides are parallel. By considering AB measurement, with C as the center, you draw one arc which will intersect the previous arc at point D. Clear students? At point D. Now you join the points. Have you seen how to construct? This is the parallelogram with two sides and one included angle. So this angle is given to you 45 degree. AB is 6.5 centimeter. So DC will be also 6.5 centimeter. BC your 5.2 centimeter. So AD will be also 5.2 centimeter. Clear? Have you noticed? Clear to you how to construct? Clear or not? Now after that you will write down its steps. Steps all are same. In which way you will construct, same way you will write down the steps. Clear? Systematically, step wise you will write. First you have drawn baseline, then you have construct the angle, then you have drawn the arc, which has means from BX you have got this point at point C. Clear or not? It intersects at point C. Then with C as the center, by taking AB measurement, again you will draw another arc. Clear? Which will intersect the previous arc at point D. Clear? Then you will join the points CD and this AD point. Okay? These two you will join, then you will get ABCD is the required parallelogram. Got it? Now next one, question number 5, where you have to construct parallelogram with one side and two diagonals. Third element, one side and two diagonals. Now students, when you will get this type of construction, one side and two diagonals, that property which one I have told you, in the parallelogram diagonal bisect each other, that means you have to find out the midpoint. So here first what you have to do, first you have to find out the midpoints. If AC is equal to 6 centimeter, then if you make it half, AO is equal to OC is equal to 3 centimeter, and if BD is 9 centimeter, then its half is what? 4.5 centimeter. Clear? Got it? So these are the two diagonals and whose midpoints you have got it. These are two diagonals. Now one line segment is left. Now you draw the baseline with this line segment. Clear? AB 7 centimeter. A, B. Clear? Now what you will do, you have to construct first these midpoints. Means AO, A and B, no? So AO and BO first you have to construct. So first you consider 3 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter. 3 centimeter, half of AC. That means AO. 3 centimeter. So place your compass at A. With 3 centimeter you draw an arc. Now you construct OB 4.5 centimeter. So 4.5 centimeter you take the measurement, perfect measurement. Clear? With B as the center, 4.5 centimeter you will draw another arc. These two arcs have intersected this point, O point. Got it? Now you join OA and OB. Clear? After joining, what you will do, as you know, I told you one diagonal bisects the other diagonal, so it is the midpoint. So now next step is what? You take the measurement OB. Clear? With this same measurement, place your compass at O. You draw one arc. Got it? Same way, take the measurement of OA. Clear? And with same measurement, with O as the center, you draw one arc. Clear? Take the measurement perfectly. Got it? Now what you will do? You have to produce the line. This OB line you have to produce till this arc, means it will intersect this arc. Make the straight line, and with that way you produce this line. Got it? Same way, OA line also you produce, it will intersect this arc. Straight way you will produce with O as the center. Clear? After producing, now you join these two intersecting point. More one, two. So A, B, it will be C, it is D. Now you join the points. Have you seen? How have you constructed parallelogram with one side and two diagonals? So AB is 7 centimeter. So it will be also 7 centimeter. Clear or not? And your AC and BD is what? AC is 6 centimeter and your BD is 9 centimeter. Next, you write down the steps in which way you have drawn. You have to write down the steps in that format. Clear, students? This construction is very important. All the constructions are very important, but this is little bit different. When you have to construct parallelogram with one sides and two diagonals. Mind it, when you will get two diagonals, at first you have to find out the middle point, midpoints, because in the parallelogram diagonal bisect each other. So directly you won't be able to construct. First you have to find out the midpoints, then with that midpoint measurement, first you have to construct two arcs which will intersect at point O. Then with O as the center, by taking same measurement, suppose OA, by taking OA measurement with O as the center, you will draw an arc. Again with OB measurement with O as the center, you will draw another arc. Then you will produce the line which will intersect the arcs. Next you join the points. So these are the two construction of parallelogram. Clear? With that you write down the steps. Got it? Next video I am constructing more two parallelogram. Clear? With again with one side and two diagonal, another type I will show, and two adjacent sides and one diagonal. Got it, students? Is that clear? Thank you.